atupito na polo kinito na jakanuto William Munyungesie balebe araima meashoman mame pata na itungadu muna ijara na itekoro.
You sell land and buy a motorcycle for boda boda. Well, it may be solving a problem, but I think that cannot compel you to sell a very important asset, factor of production, which is land. This country, people are competing very, very fast. And for you who has land, you are more blessed and rich, wealthy. In fact, I therefore urge our communities to go slow on this vice and concentrate on educating their children. Till land, get money out of this land and invest it in education. Other than disposing of the land, eventually you will have nothing to use as your income, and you will fail to educate your children.
I have heard you singing. You want to be doctors and presidents and all that, and people were laughing. But it is not impossible. I am a minister. I have a PhD, but I studied under a mango tree. So when a young girl stands in front of you and she says, I want to be a president, pray for her. I believe her. I believe you.
Konye Apollo Kiniton Luala Girls Secondary School, Grace Apio Ngesie Balebe, ekotokwa na puga na igwaikina gogo, aigange somero tetere poloi.
By the time I came to this school, there were 5 teachers on government payroll, but now we have 15 teachers in all subjects. There are a few gaps which we expect to be filled. And as a strategic intervention, the board has brought boys. I think you can see some boys around, is to bring in the numbers. But the school, though the enrollment is low, we started registering first grades in 2018. Every year at least we get a first grade. Although the sitting is of low population, 21 candidates, but that is the change. Because when I check the records, the last first grade before 2018 was in 2003. As we persevere, is the school motto. We are hoping for the best.
Kanuka TV East, Abraham Elapu.